Going to show you my slime collection. So I had this slime collection only for 2 days and I have like 5 slimes. And I'm still not done. I have like 3 more cases to fill and then I'm done with my slime collection. So, okay, the first one that I ever made is clear. I have glitter glue, clear glue, and white glue. So here's my clear glue that I made. So yeah. And then my second ever slime was pink glittery. It has a good spark on it. It's kind of hard. I know. Really not that pokey. Okay, and my third ever slime. Well, I made it this morning. So these two, I made it last night. And then the rest, I made it like today. So this one I made this morning. I actually made 2, but then I mixed them together. So that's why it's like this. That's why it's so darn big. Sorry, that's just my family. Anyways, let's get back to the video. So that is my third time ever. Okay, so this one is supposed to be my clear one, but it just turned white on no reason. So this is a clear one. This is my second clear one I made. This is my 4th slime I ever made. So yeah, it's really pokey. Okay, this might be weird, but I don't know how to do the swirly thing when you just like swirl it. So like this. I don't know if I do. It's kind of... Yeah, I don't think I did it. Anyways. And then you usually poke it. So you gotta do the swirl and then you poke it. Yep. Okay, and here's my last one, my favorite one. It's like the best. It's freaking huge as crap. This is it. I know they're mostly white. It's just like all white. Then I'm going to do another video, part 2, that I am going to be making slime. I made a white one. Well, no, I'm going to make a glittery one. So, bye!